The Divi summer sale is happening right now. What makes this sale extra special are the unique Divi product and Divi marketplace bundles that unlock incredible savings you won't see during other times of the year. By far the best deals right now are Divi product bundles, which package together awesome services like Divi AI, Divi Cloud, Divi VIP, and Divi Teams with discounts of up to 70%. Even if you already subscribe to some of these services, you can bundle them together and lock in that summer sale discount forever, saving you hundreds of dollars today and thousands of dollars in the future. You'll also find 3 unique Divi marketplace bundles we put together exclusively for the summer sale. The Divi module booster bundle unlocks over 250 new modules. The Divi layout booster bundle will get you access to over 10,000 new layouts. And the Divi feature booster bundle offers a wide array of new Divi features you never knew existed. Purchase a Divi marketplace bundle during the sale and save 50% across all the products in the bundle. Head over to elegantthemes.com/summer today to access the sale. All these bundles are featured on the page. You can scroll down to see everything on offer. Don't wait too long though, because the summer sale ends soon. And once it does, you won't find deals like this again until next year.